We decided to head back up to Red Cliffs this morning, which is about 30 kilometers north of Namasiri on the Okavango River. And every year, hundreds of carmine bee-eaters migrate southwards to nest and breed in these cliffs. There were even more birds in the colony than the last time we were up here a couple of weeks ago. And we were greeted by the same spectacle as the last time. The color and the vibrance and the noise are quite astounding, and as the sun rose above the lip of the cliff above the birds, it started picking out highlights in the ridges and in the birds that were in those areas. And these highlights really just brought out the beautiful coloring of these birds. We spent quite a long time sitting at the base of the cliff waiting for sunlight to hit it. And we found once again that if we sat really quietly and still, the birds paid no attention to us and just carried on with their natural business. As we were working our way through a fairly big island, we noticed a pair of little bee-eaters. These bee-eaters, like all the bee-eaters in fact, are really beautifully marked. Their green and yellow coloration with the black mask across their eyes is really very pretty, and we moved in closer and sat and watched them feeding for a while. We were very lucky to get them feeding so actively in such a localized area.